Alright fam, so I'm on my phone right now, but the car got towed like 2 hours away from Daytona. Hopefully I get it fixed tomorrow, but we're thinking the fuel pump went to crap. I was running a little bit empty, and then I guess it got overheated and went bad. But hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to fix it pronto. It's my first time replacing a fuel pump, so hope that doesn't backfire on me, but I'll be fixing it tomorrow. And then hopefully I'll make it out to Clean Culture, safe and sound, maybe even placing the car show. And I actually gotta call the hotel, but yeah, problems, too many problems. Yeah, doing a great job, got it up there, no problem. Kind of sucks that it's up there, but it looks good while it's up there. You know, he did a good part, did a good job putting it on there. No scrapes, no nothing. Safely on there. Appreciate it. Alright, so we're about to give it a try and fix this baby. You gotta get these three. I'm not gonna be able to record really, so I'm just gonna take it all off. But these three screws right here, and then let's get them done. Then we'll remove this tab right here. From what I've been watching, not gonna lie, it's my first time, so hopefully I get it all right. Let's get the tab off. This is a little bit different from what I seen in the video, but we gotta remove this one here and this one here, bring them back, and I'm sure there's gonna be some fluid coming out while we're trying to remove it, so be careful. We gotta remove these 6 nuts right here. I think this should be 10 mils, and hopefully it's the same as one. I mean, these two different right here from what I've seen in a video, but hopefully it still works the same. So let's get it now. Hopefully it just it's at an angle from what I was told and watched, so you got to be careful with it. But I guess let's see if I can get it out. All right, so got it out, and then so I think we just need to remove this. Wait, let me see. I think we just need to remove this tab right here, and then this right here. Put it up some so it can remove from here, and then remove this, and it'll come right out, and then put the new one back in. Should be that easy. All right, got it all together. Clamps, clip here, the filter. Now it's just time to slide it in and then give it a try. Hopefully this baby turns on, and put everything back together. All right, so got all these 6 nuts in. Got this hose in here. Like I said, it's a little bit different than the videos that I've watched, but all this cover here for electric, the fuel, clamps, everything's good. Now the only thing left is to give it a try. Alright, so I put this over it just in case, and then let's go ahead and give this baby a prime up. Alright, let's let it prime. Alright. And she is on. Hopefully that does the trick. Let's go check the fuel gauge. So we're getting good fuel. It's at 40 right now. Pretty sure this might do the trick. We got 2 hours to make it to Daytona. But we're gonna see. At least the engine bay looking clean. Alright, so this is gonna be a short video. It's not gonna be like a long one like my other ones, just so you guys know. But I'm gonna make this a separate video. This is on my phone, so just in case you guys want to watch how to remove and reinstall a fuel pump, this is for you guys. But this is all done on my phone, so it's not like the quality of my camera. But she is running right now. Hopefully she'll be good to go to Daytona and Clean Culture meet, and hopefully for a few days while we're out here enjoying our little vacation, and the birthday for the twins, which is Sunday. But this will be posted way late, so you won't even know. But I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, it was short, but it's really simple. I just hope it did the job. I hope I got everything right. And shoot, she's running good right now. As long as the fuel keeps up and the pump keeps pumping, we're gonna be in good condition. And pray to God that we make it back home after our little trip. And thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the flip. We finally made it to Daytona. We're out here right outside of Daytona Speedway.